Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to fix this video is currently unavailable to watch in your location in Amazon Prime. So first, let us go to Google Chrome and we will try to ask our problem. So go to Google and search for the problem itself. So in here, the Amazon Prime Video error, this video is currently unavailable to watch in your location, is a common roadblock for Amazon Prime Video users. So the answer is, this is due to geo restrictions employed by Amazon, which limit access to its content based on your geographical location identified by your IP address. So, in order to solve our problem, we need to download a VPN. So let's go back to Play Store and search for Best VPN. So it's up to you guys what VPN should you download. And after downloading one VPN, you must change your location to other country for you to watch the video in Prime Amazon Prime. And that's it. You're all set.